You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these phrases, as well as how to say more confusing vocabulary from French that many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. How do you say I'm thirsty in French? How do you pronounce this phrase? J'ai soif, which literally means I have thirst. We don't really say I'm thirsty, but rather I have thirst. J'ai soif. J'ai soif. J'ai soif is I'm thirsty in French. And now you know, more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.